toe boots on a plywood floor. Crowd scream and give us more. Chute gate rattles like a jailhouse door. The bull's been mean since '94. I spit dust, crack my neck, wrap that rope, cash that check. He snorts smoke, pawing ground. 8 seconds till the world goes round. Ain't no saints in this arena light, just hard heads looking for a fight. There's blood in the sawdust, pain in the pride. You hang on tight or you swallow your hide. Crowd goes wild when the whistle blows. You either ride high or you hit down low. No silver spoon, no velvet crown, just blood in the sawdust when you hit that ground. Got a scar that runs my side from a Texas bull I couldn't ride. Broke 2 ribs in my left-hand truss, but I got back up, cause that's a must. Mama prays, but she knows damn well this ain't heaven, it's a rodeo hell. But when that gate flies open wide, that's the only place I feel alive. You can't fake nerve, you can't fake guts. This game chews boys and spits out dust. There's blood in the sawdust, fire in my chest. I ain't here to play, I'm here to test. Every bruise, every busted bone, I'd rather die right and live playing safe at home. No spotlight love, just a hard-earned sound. Blood in the sawdust when you hit that ground. Guitar screaming, drums slow pound, heartbeat louder than the crowd. If this is crazy, I don't care. This dirt and danger's in my prayer. Blood in the sawdust, hear that roar. Boots hit dirt, I'm begging for more. From small town bars to the big showdown, you either ride legend or you ride face down. No back